Hardwood floor dents from heavy furniture can totally ruin your vibe, but you don't have to stress because there are some simple ways to fix it without calling a pro right away. So, first off, if you notice those annoying dents, grab some wood filler that matches your floor color. This stuff is a lifesaver for filling in dents and making them less visible. Before you apply it, clean the dented area well to get rid of dust and grime so the filler sticks better. After applying the filler, smooth it out with a putty knife and let it dry completely. This usually takes a few hours. Once dry, gently sand the spot with fine grit sandpaper until it blends with the rest of the floor. Just be careful not to overdo it. Another trick is to rearrange your furniture so heavy pieces don't sit in the same spots all the time. This helps prevent new dents. You can also use felt pads under furniture legs to spread the weight and protect your floors. If the dents are shallow, placing a damp cloth over them and then hitting it with a warm iron for a few seconds can help the wood fibers swell back up. Lastly, keeping your hardwood floor clean and dry will maintain its strength and reduce the chances of dents forming. One of the biggest mistakes people make with hardwood floor dents is ignoring them until they get worse, which makes repairs way more expensive and time-consuming. To fix this, start small with wood fillers or steam treatments as soon as you spot a dent. Another issue is using the wrong type of wood filler or paint that doesn't match the floor color, so always test in a hidden spot first to avoid making the dent more noticeable. The third common problem is not protecting your floors from future damage by skipping felt pads or furniture coasters under heavy pieces. Adding these simple protective layers can save you tons of hassle down the line. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it hooks you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, so you don't have to worry about getting stuck with someone unreliable. Plus, if you're a contractor looking to pick up work, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who need your skills on their projects.